This everyday habit happening right now in your room could silently burn your house down. You probably did it this morning without a second thought, thinking it is completely safe. But behind your walls, a deadly countdown might have just started. Imagine you're setting up your desk or bedroom. You have your computer, a phone charger, a lamp, and maybe a space heater to stay warm. You only have one wall socket, so you grab a cheap power strip, plug it in, and connect all your devices. It works perfectly, and everything powers on. Most people believe that as long as there are empty slots on a power strip, it is safe to keep plugging things in. We think that if the plug fits, the system can naturally handle it. After all, why would manufacturers make a strip with 6 outlets if you could not use all of them at once? Here's the hidden truth. It's not about how many slots you fill, but how much total power those devices pull. Every wire hidden inside your walls has a strict limit on the electricity it can safely carry. When you plug high-power items like heaters, hair dryers, or microwaves into one shared space, they suck massive amounts of electricity through that single wire. This excess energy creates intense friction, causing the copper wires inside your wall to rapidly heat up, like the glowing coils inside a toaster. As the wire gets hotter and hotter, the protective plastic insulation wrapping it begins to melt away. Without that plastic barrier, the bare, energized wires touch each other and shoot out sparks. These electrical sparks can reach thousands of degrees, easily igniting the surrounding dry wood framing and dust inside your walls. And this is the worst part. Because this fire starts deep inside a sealed wall cavity, it silently smolders and spreads for hours, completely unseen. By the time you finally smell smoke or see flames breaking through the paint, the fire has already spread everywhere, potentially blocking your escape routes. This invisible trap causes tens of thousands of home fires and hundreds of tragedies every single year. To protect yourself, never plug appliances that create heat or have large motors into a power strip. Space heaters, toasters, and window air conditioners must always be plugged directly into their own wall outlet. Only use power strips for low-current electronics like your phone or laptop. The next time you reach for that last empty slot on a power strip, ask yourself if the convenience is really worth risking everything you own.